In the early dawn of happiness, you gave me 3 kisses, so I would wake up to this moment of love. I tried to remember in my heart what I dreamt about during the night before I became aware of this morning of life. I found my dreams, but the moon took me away. It lifted me up to firmament and suspended me there. I saw how my heart had fallen on your path, singing a song. Between my love and my heart, things were happening, which slowly made me recall everything. You arouse me with your touch, although I can't see your hands. You have kissed me with tenderness, although I haven't seen your lips. You are hidden from me, but it is you who keeps me alive. Perhaps the time will come when you will tire of kisses. I shall be happy even for insults from you. I only ask that you keep some attention on me. My heart is on fire. In my madness, I roam the desert. The flames of passion devour the wind and the sky. My cries for longing, my wails for sorrow are tormenting my soul. You wait patiently, looking into my intoxicated eyes. You accept my passion with the serenity of love. You are the master of existence. One day I shall become a lover like you. My heart is burning with love. All can see this flame. My heart is pulsing with passion, like waves on an ocean. My friends have become strangers, and I am surrounded by enemies. But I am free as the wind, no longer hurt by those who reproach me. I am at home, wherever I am, and in the room of lovers, I can see with closed eyes the beauty that dances. Behind the veils, intoxicated with love, I too dance the rhythm of this moving world. I have lost my senses in my world of lovers. Because of your love, I lost my sobriety. I'm intoxicated by the madness of love. In this fog, have become a stranger to myself. I am so drunk, I've lost the way to my house. In the garden, I see only your face from trees and blossoms. I inhale only your fragrance, drunk from the ecstasy of love. I can no longer tell the difference between the drunkard and drink, between the lover and beloved. Not Christian or Jew or Muslim, not Hindu, Buddhist, Sufi or Zen, not any religion or cultural system. I am not from East or the West, not out of the ocean or up from the ground, not natural, not ethereal, not composed of elements at all. I do not exist, am not an entity in this world or in the next, did not descend from Adam and Eve or any origin story. My place is placeless, a trace of the traceless, neither body or soul. I belong to beloved, have seen the two worlds as one, and that one call to and know, first, last, outer, inner, only that breath breathing. Human being. You come to us from another world, from beyond the stars and a void of space, transcended, pure of unimaginable beauty, bringing with you the essence of love. You transform all who are touched by you. Mundane concerns, troubles and sorrows dissolve in your presence, bringing joy to ruler and ruled, to peasants and kings. You bewilder us with your greatness. All evil is transformed into goodness. You are the master alchemist. You light the fire of love in earth and sky, in heart and soul of every being. Through your loving, existence and non-existence merge. All opposites unite. All that is profane becomes sacred again. I died from minerality and became vegetable. And from vegetativeness, I died and became animal. I died from animality and became a man. Then why fear disappearance from death? Next time I shall die, bringing forth wings and feathers like angels. After that, soaring higher than angels. What you cannot imagine, I shall become that.